I'm Benjamin, and the Alarm.com folks contributed to the fact that my dogs are alive today. On December 20th, around 2:30, I was home working during the day. I had stepped out of the house for probably 10 minutes. For their own safety, we had confined, before I'd left, I'd confined the dogs in the bedroom. At about 2:55, literally 10 minutes after I left the house, my cell phone alert went off stating that the third floor smoke detector was going off. I broke into a sprint back to the house. I was probably maybe 100 yards away. Got home and got up to the third floor and experienced heavy smoke coming out of the master bedroom, where evidently there was this fire that had broken out. I opened the door and immediately got hit with a bunch of black smoke, but I could see that the bed and the back wall of the property were on fire. I got down on my knees in an effort to go in and see if I could find the dogs. I found them. They had crawled into their kennel, and when I found them there, I literally grabbed the kennel and pulled the kennel into the hallway where they ran all the way out. After that, we waited for help to arrive. They were able to respond immediately. They were here within 5 or 6 minutes, battling the fire. It was clearly a wonderful thing that Alarm.com notified me when they did. The damage to our house would be far more extensive than it is. Not only would it have been much more severe on my property, but because it's a townhouse, there could have been spread to their property, and I know they have young children. It would have been much worse. I'm certain my dogs wouldn't be here today. My wife and I, they are currently the loves of our lives, and they're rescues, and we adore them. My whole point through this ordeal has been an alarm system doesn't matter much if it doesn't work the one time you need it to work. But the system worked the time it needed to work, so I would wholeheartedly recommend Alarm.com.